Every day, I see ads targeting women like us with miracle fat burners, skinny teas, and metabolism gummies. I am going to save you a lot of money right now. Throw them away. They are mostly caffeine and marketing. They stress your adrenal glands and can actually make your belly fat worse. However, as we age, our bodies do become deficient in specific nutrients. And if you have a deficiency, your metabolism slows down to a crawl. Today, I'm sharing the only 4 supplements that actually move the needle for women over 40. These aren't magic pills. They are tools to fix the hormonal blocks, like insulin and cortisol, that are keeping you stuck. Number 1 is the most critical. If you are deficient in this, it is almost impossible to lose weight. It's vitamin D. Here is the secret. Vitamin D isn't actually a vitamin. It is a pro-hormone. It is the raw material your body needs to create sex hormones and regulate insulin. Studies show that women with low vitamin D levels have significantly more belly fat than women with normal levels. Why? Because when D is low, your body thinks it's winter, famine time, and stores energy. Most of us are inside all day, so we are low. How to take it? Look for vitamin D3 paired with K2. K2 ensures the calcium goes to your bones, not your arteries. I recommend 2,000 to 5,000 IU per day, taken with a meal that has fat, like eggs or avocado, because it is fat-soluble. We talk a lot about inflammation on this channel. When your body is inflamed, your cortisol is high, and your cells can't hear the fat-burning signals. The fire extinguisher for inflammation is omega-3 fatty acids, fish oil. Most of our modern diet is high in omega-6, vegetable oils, processed food. This causes inflammation. We need to balance that with omega-3s. Omega-3s do 2 incredible things for weight loss. They increase insulin sensitivity, helping you process sugar. They lower cortisol, helping you lose belly fat. How to take it? You want a high-quality fish oil. Look at the label for EPA and DHA. You want at least 1,000 milliliters combined per day. If you hate fish burps, keep the bottle in the freezer. Did you know you have a specific set of bacteria in your gut called the estrobolome? Their entire job is to recycle and process used estrogen. If your gut is unhealthy, you cannot clear estrogen properly. This leads to estrogen dominance, which causes heavy periods, mood swings, and weight gain in the hips and thighs. You are not just feeding yourself, you are feeding your bacteria. How to take it? You can get this from food like kimchi or sauerkraut. But if you don't eat those, a high-quality multi-strain probiotic is a great insurance policy. Look for one that requires refrigeration. That usually means the bacteria are actually alive. The last one is the cheapest, oldest trick in the book. It's not a pill. It's Apple Cider Vinegar. This is pure science. Acetic acid, the sour stuff in vinegar, has been proven to lower the blood sugar response of a meal by up to 30%. If you drink this before a meal, it acts like a buffer. It prevents the insulin spike. And remember, lower insulin, higher fat burning. How to take it? 1 tablespoon in a tall glass of water, 10 minutes before your biggest meal. Drink it with a straw to protect your tooth enamel. It costs pennies, and it works. I'm going to throw in a bonus because it's a struggle for so many of us. Protein powder. We know we need 30 g of protein per meal, but sometimes you just can't cook chicken breast at 7 a.m. A clean whey isolate or a plant-based protein powder is a tool. It helps you hit your protein goal, keeps you full, and protects your muscle mass. Don't be afraid of it. Just check the label for added sugar. Stop looking for miracles in a bottle. The miracle is your body when you give it what it needs. Vitamin D3 plus K2 for hormonal function. Omega-3s to lower inflammation cortisol. Probiotics for the estrobolome. Apple cider vinegar for blood sugar control. Supplements are just that. They supplement a healthy lifestyle. I want to know, do you take any vitamins right now? Which ones? Let me know in the comments below. And always check the description area of this video for books and exercise equipment that can help you. If this saved you money on fat burners, hit that like button and subscribe to True Lose Zone. I'll see you in the next video.